Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a background image onto your pages in Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over into a page that does have no background, like so, and I'm going to go ahead and add a background to this page. Now for this, we're going to go ahead and access our segment or section settings, and to do that, we're going to go ahead and click on edit to start editing this page over here. I'm going to delete this embedded script since it's bothering me a bit. And now, as you can see, we have this section over here with this text block. You can go ahead and add another section if you want to, but you can do everything in one single section if that's your choice, and you can just set up a background image for everything here. Now, to set up a background image, go ahead and click on edit section while hovering over the section you want to edit, and now go ahead and go into the background options. Here you can add an image, a video, or some art. And as you can see, art is currently not available for me at the current moment. You can add a surface, you can add conic, you can add bokeh, you can add images, you can add gradients, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Background art will only appear in browsers that support WebGL, as you'll see. And yeah, you can select these, or we can go ahead and click on image. You can select either full bleed or inset for background width, but go ahead and click on add image, click on upload a file if you so choose, select whichever file you want, or go ahead and select from library. I have nothing in my library except for this. This is a free image I got from here, as you'll see. But for example, let's say I want to set this as my background, click add image, and once that's added, that's gonna add the background image to our section. And once that loads up, it will look something like this, and that is pretty much all there is to it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.